Hi there, welcome back to Titan. Today we're going to be showing you another part of the Cricket Fan Club website, which we built on Titan Web. And today what we're going to be focusing on is the e-commerce section of this website. So let's check it out. So as you saw before, here's the Titan Fan Club website. And now what we did is we're in the merchandise section of the website. So right now what we're seeing is all of the different products that this website offers. And as you can see here, we have different categories for the products and different subcategories. So we have gear, safety, and clothing. And each one of these has different products listed under it, and that's all coming based on the architecture that we chose in Salesforce. So let's go ahead and let's check out gear and let's go to the bags. Okay, so here's our bag and let's add that to the cart. As you can see, all of the products are currently listed as on sale. I added it to the cart and now it's in my shopping cart as I'm already logged into the website using my user ID. And as you can see here, we can change the quantity and it'll change the total amount. A complete, fully functioning e-commerce solution. So now let's go and let's add something else to the cart. Let's add the cricket ball. And if we click on this, we can also get the different details about it, including different pictures. So we also see the number in stock, and everything here is completely customizable. What you want to show, the way you want to show it, the layouts, completely up to you. So let's add that to the cart as well. So now we have two things in our cart, and let's go ahead and click on checkout. So here's the checkout page. And as you can see here, we have the opportunity to enter a coupon, and that coupon will actually change this amount, and that can be set up in Salesforce as well. And we can have, the different types of credit cards we accept, and all different types of payment integrations here. So here's the actual payment shipping page. We can choose whatever information we want here, and we can go ahead, pick a country, put our name in. That the name is actually coming already from the username, so you could also pre-fill information for your clients and customers based on the information that you have in Salesforce. And let's go ahead, let's put in some details here, and let's go ahead and let's click next. Um, And now we can use our credit card integration. We can pay with Stripe. We can select our country. We can do everything here. And let's go in. Oh, let's just do make billing address the same as shipping address. And let's click next again. And now we're here. We put in our credit card number, and that's all we have to do. So that's really, everything that you see here is coming from Salesforce. Just to show you, in Salesforce, here's the list of products. Let's open one up. Here's the cricket bag that we saw before. We created our own product code. We have the different images in here as URLs. Here's our description, and here is the category and the subcategory. So it's that easy to set up your own e-commerce website using Titan Web with the power of Salesforce. Thanks a lot and stay tuned for more.